With today being the official start of winter, I started thinking about how much fun I had as a kid building snowmen. My brother and I would make them so tall that they would tower over us. Now, even though I'm grown up, I still like making snowmen. That's why today we're building an edible snowman that I think should show up at your next get-together. Come on, let me show you how easy. We start by combining some cream cheese with a bit of mayo, some bacon bits, chopped walnuts, scallions, and some chopped parsley. And to give this its wow factor, we added some horseradish and a bit of crushed pepper flakes. Once it's mixed, we divide it into 3 balls, a big one, a medium-sized one, and a small one. These will become the body of the snowman. And to give our snowman some personality, we decorate it with some olives for eyes, a carrot for the nose. We'll give it a smile with an olive, and some pretzel sticks for the arms. Go ahead, get creative. And after you surround it with some cut-up veggies for dipping, it's time to dig in. Not only is this adorable and a great conversation starter, it's pretty addictive too. To get the recipe for what we call Frosty the Cheeseball, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with our little elf Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun holiday way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.